Hazrat Abu Huraira and Hazrat Zayd bin Khalid radiyallahu anhum told Hazrat Abdullah bin Utbah bin Masud, the issue of altercation between two persons was presented to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam for decision. One of them submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, decide between us in accordance with Allah's book. The other, who was comparatively more sensible, submitted, Yes, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, decide between us as per Allah's book and allow me first to present the case. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, Speak. He submitted, My son was a wage earner with him. Imam Malik says, Wal asif means a laborer. He committed fornication with his wife, so I was told that my son would be stoned to death. I thereupon ransomed him with 100 goats and a slave girl of mine. I thereafter asked the scholars its precept, and they told me that my son would be flogged with 100 lashes, forced into exile for 1 year, and the punishment of stoning to death is only for his wife. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, By him in whose control my soul is, I will surely settle your case in accordance with Allah's book. Your goats and your slave girl will be returned to you, and his son will be flogged with 100 lashes and banished for a year. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam further commanded Hazrat Unais Aslami to go to the wife of the other person. If she confesses, she will be stoned to death. That woman confessed, and thus she was stoned to death. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6633, 6634.